morning. This is Sheereen Naseem and you are watching United News. Headlines of the day are: BJP releases its third list for Maharashtra election, 146 candidates announced. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Spanish President Pedro Sanchez inaugurated the Tata Aircraft Complex in Vadodara on October 28. C-295 aircraft focused on India's first private facility for military aircraft. Thousands gathered at the Trafalgar Square in London on October 27 to celebrate Diwali, the festival of light. Elon Musk surprised audiences at Madison Square Garden by unveiling a bold, dark, gothic mega look at Donald Trump's event. Ahead of Diwali, the makers of Mirzapur on Monday announces a stand-alone film, Mirzapur the Film. A massive fire at an illegal cracker shop at Abbott's Hanuman Tekadi in Hyderabad. India's World Cup winning coach Gary Kirsten resigned as Pakistan cricket team's coach within 6 months of his appointment. Now, the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Spanish counterpart Pedro Sanchez inaugurated the Tata Aircraft Complex in Gujarat's Vadodara for manufacturing C-295 aircraft by Tata Advanced Systems. A total of 56 aircraft are there under the C-295 program, of which 16 are being delivered directly by Airbus from Spain and the remaining 40 are to be made in India. Tata Advanced Systems Limited is responsible for making these 40 aircrafts in India. This facility will be the first private sector final assembly line for military aircraft in India. It will involve the full development of a complete ecosystem from the manufacture to assembly test and qualification to delivery and maintenance of the complete life cycle of the aircraft. A massive fire broke out at a fireworks shop in Abbott's Hanuman Tekadi, Hyderabad, causing extensive damage to the premises. Firefighters rushed to the scenes to control the blaze and prevent it from spreading to nearby structures. The cause of fire is yet to be determined and the authorities are investigating. No casualties have been reported so far, but the incident has raised concerns about safety protocols in firecrackers shop, especially with the festive season approaching. Keep watching United News for more such updates. Thank you.